this video, I am going to show you the traditional way on how to use a scrummy towel. Before we start, make sure that your client is sitting comfortably and then twist the hair up out of the way and clip the hair to secure in place. Before washing the hair, take one scrummy towel and drape this around the shoulders of your client, making sure the texture side of the towel is facing up. Move your client's head back over the backwash and remove the clips before washing the hair like normal. After shampooing the hair, conditioning and then rinsing, squeeze the water out by hand. You might want to do this a couple of times to make sure that the excess water is fully out. For longer locks, comb through the hair and make sure that it is completely tangle free. Then twist the hair up and clip into place. To make a traditional turban, use the same scrummy towel from around your client's shoulders and open the towel out underneath the head. Fold one side over and then the other side at the front of the head. For longer hair, it's best to twist the scrummy into a light ponytail and fold it under at the front to lock in place. Make sure the towel is tight to the nape of the neck at all times. Blot the hair and do not rub, as scrummy towels work best when applied with a light, constant pressure, making sure it absorbs all of the moisture before taking your clients back to the styling chair.